Hello, welcome to part 2 of Kitted Up. 2030, haven't decided yet how many kits we're going to do. Probably 30 as I'm going through it. I totally forgot I had a stack on the side here of ledger paper and wood grain. So I'm going to try to remember that. And I just pulled this one out, and it is Main Character Energy. That we've already pulled a couple of, I believe, but the very last one we did was the same, and it matches perfectly, so I am putting it in there. So there. Now, this one is going to be a cheater because it seems like is it all the same? Yep, they're all Salon by Echo Park. I love it, and there's a sticker I will leave with it. Do we need anything else? We do need maybe a solid something. Maybe let me run through these. These are the cardstock I've remembered to pull at this point, to pull out of the pile. No, I don't really find any of them are going to work. So let me move that. And, sorry, I just need, again, something to dry my hands, or wet my hands with. No, I think there's enough of that already. Let's see. I'm sure there's more colors in here that are going to have turquoise on it. Or, yeah, turquoisey aqua. Oh, look at the other side. Oh, see, another hip kit. That's beautiful. From 2020. Okay. Who is this one? Oh, that's Pink Fresh. I love that. I just can't. I don't know. It's not for me. Maybe in very small strips. I can't do it. So, I'm sorry, this is so shadowed. There is a light I'm going to have to move. Adjust. I'm trying all sorts of different lighting positions, and not totally thrilled yet. Oh yeah, right. New. Oh, it's a brown. Okay, none of that was right. Maybe we're coming up to something. I don't know about that. Oh, I wouldn't have thought it would be this hard to find a turquoise. Just thinking wood grain ledger. Doesn't really work with it, I don't think. Oh, wait a sec. What's that? Oh, that might work. Oh, there is a bit of the purple in it. That's probably the one. Let me just do a quick run through the rest here. I'm not really going to see the purple, so I guess I'll use that as, well, I was going to use that as the background and then probably matting, but you see, you might see a bit of it, but can I cover it up with an embellishment? Probably. That's pretty, not the right shade. Not the right shade. Oh, too bad. Although that's pretty. I might check my stash of cardstock. I don't mind pulling from there at all. Wait a minute. There it is. I think that's the one. Yep, that'll do. Okay, there is page kit 1. And I will leave this with it so I remember to use it. I had these all in bags with some embellishments with them already. And yeah, that's why some random embellishments show up. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, Flower Garden Cartabella, and this is Here Comes Spring Cartabella. So I like both of them, but that's not a background. Okay, I like that. What other color can we add? Black? Ooh, a black maybe? Oops, let me show you. Yeah, I thought I had more darker fall colors in the back here. Or some, anyway. Oh, you know what? I've had this sitting to the side. I did Chrissy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. And day 22, I loved, this is by Kristen Lippelman. And I loved her design, but I had nothing that I had pulled that was going to work with it. And I set it aside because I said, I will do something. That's pretty darn close. I can do something with that. Okay, that's something totally separate. So I'm pulling that. This is great though, because I'm getting other things pulled. And if you see another Kaiser Craft paper while we're going through this, let me know. I need more Kaiser Craft for something else. No. I don't dig it. It is so funny doing this on camera, and the many videos I've watched of people do this. And I know myself, it's like, oh my gosh, you guys, stop. Don't pick that. Don't do that. Stop looking. Stop. Is there anything I can use? Ooh, I know this is a different line, but let me just set that aside. Oh, I like that one too because, and I have that, I'm going to do this just for the future. Oh yeah, that was that. So it's a navy with pink, just irregular circles on it. It's so cute. Not sure what I'm looking for. Oh, I like the idea. It's just the wrong paper. It's not, it's very stark white, and this is not. Some like that. Can I fussy cut? And then you wouldn't even see, well, I guess you would still see the white. I'm going to set it there. We'll keep looking, but it is a possibility. I don't know, these two are just killing me. It's just not my style. I don't know how I must have bought a collection pack. And I love, this is Ciao Bella from, what are we, 2016, 17? I'm not sure. I'm just going to move that for now. No brown. No, that's another cheater one, but I should get it done at some point here, just to get it out of there. Oh, wow, more. Oh, is this the same? No, this is Sunflower Market. What was the one we were looking at? Flower Market. Oh, okay. 2 white. Almost use like a black background. If I did fussy cut those, and there's a lot of black in there. It's not very springy, I suppose, to use black though. My goodness, bees were the thing. No, wrong feel, totally different colors. No. I have a lot of Echo Park and Cardabella. That's nice, but again, checker or whatever you want to call that, kind of a houndstooth look. No. That's a bit, that's still pretty white. Maybe that teal or aqua. We'll see. Gosh, look at this. More. Okay. Oh, come on. Again, very white. Can I fussy cut some hats? Getting ahead of myself. It's Cardabella. Oh, it's Flower Garden. I pull that. Now, what did? Oh no! Again, it's got the purple. I forgot about that. Okay, so none of that. I think. Let me just adjust this pile, and I will grab. I think just plain black. Let me see. Are you black? Yep. Blackbird. Okay, yes. Fussy cut. I might even be able to do something to tone that down a bit in all the flowers if I fussy cut that out, just to change it up a bit. And I don't know, do the hats, I mean, again, it's Cardabella. It's still the beautiful textured paper. It's the right color. Okay, I'm going to throw it in, but it's going to be more as an embellishment than anything. Okay, that's number 2. Is that only number 2? And I thought these were going to be easy. Okay, here's one I will pull right away. I don't know. Let me move this over a little bit. Because I just realized this stuff is off screen a bit. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna throw it in there. I don't love it, but I want to get it used up. So we'll see if that can work. You know, I have this, or had it in my 30 Days of Sketches. I had a kit pulled like this, and I had thought I would just fussy cut that out and then mount it on this piece, and then I could use whatever's left to map pictures, etc. So maybe I'll throw this in just while I'm thinking of it. So I've got that. Does that go? Oh, no, not another stripe. Okay, sorry, getting ahead of myself again. Wait a sec. Oh no, another stripe. Darn it anyway. Shoot. Okay, good. I'm trying to get away from the pinks a little bit, so this is nice. I'm doing something a little different. I mean, it kind of goes. Okay, I'm gonna pull this one. I think I'm actually going to set it aside, though. I'll still count it, but I have something else in mind for that. Another series, a masculine layout series. Okay, so this, I was going to do that. That's why I would like a yellow. Oh, wait a sec. Well, what do you think of that? Could use either side. I've got the double dot or kind of the swirl. Okay, I'm going to call that number 4. That was fast. I'm so happy to be getting some of these out of my collections. They're just sitting otherwise. Okay. So, oh boy, a reddish. I don't know if we've seen anything like that. I would love to be able to pull it. No, but you know what? This is going to get pulled too. So I might remove a couple from our selected kits just so we can do more, because these are a part of something totally separate. So no. I might have to go digging for something red. That's all pinks. You know what? I'm going to adjust that light and maybe see what I can find for red. I'm just going to put you on hold for a second.